Welcome back. This is Module 1 of the CMD crash course. And today we're learning how to navigate your computer using just your keyboard and a black screen. No mouse. No clicking. Just pure power and simplicity. By the end of this module, you'll be able to move through folders, create directories, and actually understand where you are inside your file system. All from CMD. So let's dive in. Go ahead and open your command prompt, just like we did in the last module. Once it's open, you should see something like c:\users\yourname. That's called the current directory. It tells you exactly where you are in the file system. All right, first command. Type dir and hit enter. Boom. You just listed the contents of a folder you're in. Dir stands for directory. It shows files and subfolders. Now let's try moving around. Type this. cd and 2 dots. And press enter. That just moved you up one folder. CD stands for change directory, and the 2 dots means go up. Try it again. CD and 2 dots. See how the path at the top keeps changing? You're climbing up the folder tree. Now, let's go back into a folder. Type cd users. And press enter. If that folder doesn't exist where you are, try any folder name you see when you type dir. If you ever get lost or want to go back to the root, just type cd \. That'll take you straight to the root of the drive, usually c:\. Let's create something now. Type this. mkdir testfolder. And hit enter. That just created a new folder called testfolder in your current location. mkdir stands for make directory. Now check if it's there by typing dir again. Right over here is the test folder we just created inside drive C. Want to go into it? Just type cd testfolder. Nice. You're inside the empty test folder you just created from scratch. Let's delete the test folder. But wait, you have to go back up first, otherwise CMD won't let you delete the folder because you're currently in it. So type cd and 2 dots to go back up. Then type rmdir test folder. Done. It's gone. Just like that, created and deleted in seconds. Let's check if it is really gone. Type dir, and truly test folder is no longer in drive C. rmdir means remove directory. Now, let's try something cooler. Type tree and hit enter. It shows a visual layout of the folder structure, like a little family tree of directories. Fair warning. If you run this in a folder with tons of files, it'll take a while. So if your screen goes crazy, like this, don't worry. Just hit Ctrl+C to cancel. Let's do a quick recap. dir shows what's inside a folder. cd folder name, go into a folder. cd ... go up one level. cd \, go to the root of the drive. mkdir, create a folder. rmdir deletes a folder. Tree shows folder structure. That's it for this module. You just learned how to explore your PC like a pro using CMD, and that's the foundation for everything else. In the next one, we're going to play with files, how to create, copy, rename, and delete them, the building blocks of command line magic. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to the series. See you in Module 2, and happy navigating.